In this video, we will talk about 2 hacks that you can apply on your money plants for faster growth and bigger leaves. As you can see in the video, my pothos leaves are huge. You can imagine how big they are behind my palm. Even I'm a 6 feet tall guy and my palms are nice and big. If I measure it, you will see how huge they are. So the first secret growth for money plants or pothos is a medium to climb upon. This one is growing upon a pillar and you will get amazed by seeing the root system. Many videos suggest you put this and that in the roots. Some of them might work as well, but if you do not provide your plant a support system to climb, it is never going to get bigger. Pothos or money plants are meant to climb. See the root system. They create a firm grip from them. So what you can do is, you can either buy a moss stick or create your own support stick with bamboo and jute rope. You will find many videos online to create one by yourself. Or you can simply add a thick wooden stem or a branch to give it a support. Believe me, if you do this, in no time you will see the upper leaves of your money plant will produce bigger leaves. Now, the second most important thing is accurate lighting for your plant. Pothos love brighter light. We take them indoors. Often we treat them like other plants and they remain in a medium light spot. Place your money plants in the area where it gets a lot of indirect light. Even it can tolerate some direct light too, if the temperature is not too high. Proper sunlight for pothos speed up the photosynthesis process and they grow at a faster pace. And always remember, do not overwater them. Wait the upper soil to dry to the touch. If you apply these methods, you will definitely see results very soon. Hope you learned something today. Subscribe for more houseplants videos.